Hello to my monthly subscribers. Thank you so much for all you do. Welcome to my double honey magic mocktail making video. So we start out with the pot of water and the saffron and the double honey. There's two different kinds of honey in there. It's the manuka and the pine honey. Then we start to boil our water over medium heat. Once it's kind of getting close to boiling, we're going to pour the honey in. Double honey, double honey. And then we take a pinch, just a pinch, just a little pinch, like 15 strands is what I'm trying to estimate. It's probably a little more. And we put the saffron in, whisk it around with the tiniest little whisk. You can use a big whisk if you have one. Ooh, and we can hear it start to boil. Oh, and now this is time lapse. It's done boiling. All the honey is dissolved. We take it off the burner. There's the beautiful golden simple syrup. We let that cool, and then we strain it into a jar. Strain the saffron out. The longer you leave in the saffron, the stronger it gets. Oh, that's a lovely sound, and that's a lovely color. Oh, I love it. Saffron, double honey, simple syrup. Oh, and there's a lid. Oh, and that's memories. Everything's a memory, and that's a beautiful color. Now we're going to make the mocktail. We smushy up as many blueberries as we want. Smush, 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 smush. I'm making double honey mocktails for me and Damien today. We're going to take the lemons, do a double squeeze. Oops, I did a single squeeze. We did a double squeeze. 1, 2. I think I did a squinge so far on mine. So here's the second squinge. Double squinge. And now we've got our glass more than half full of mineral water. More than half full. Abundance. Now our double honey saffron simple syrup to make it as sweet as our tongue and soul desire. Damien will have more and I'll have a little less. That's what our tongues and souls desire. And then in mine too, I'm putting some lemon peel for the aroma. Oh, and there's abundance going on in the living room too. Crispy and Sage and Damien are in there. Here comes Damien's. Here comes Damien's mocktail. Magic mocktail for Damien. And here's mine. A little quick stir, and I'm gonna drink it. Yay! Thanks. Thanks for all you do.